So if you have an iPhone X, iPhone 10, I know that's what it's called, and you're thinking, well, look, should I upgrade? Should I spend the money and get an iPhone 11 Pro? Well, today I'm going to be comparing the iPhone X to the 11 Pro Max so you can make that decision. But before we get started, if you're a business owner or entrepreneur, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down there, because I'm all about helping you understand how to better use video and create videos to grow your business. Right, so here are the rules for today's comparison. We're going to be filming in 4K 60 frames per second on each of the phones. We're also going to be testing out the lenses, the wide and the telephoto, as well as recording in slow motion, which we're going to do at HD 120 frames. We're also going to test out the front cameras and see how they compare, as well as some walking tests to see the stabilization. So let's get to it. It's here in my backyard, so let's have a look and I'll come back and give you my thoughts. Already you can tell that the stabilization of the 11 Pro Max is phenomenal. This is completely handheld. There is no other stabilizers involved. Not a massive difference, but the 11 Pro Max, it is sharper and the whole image is a lot brighter, even in those shadowy areas. And with slow motion available on the front camera, you get to enjoy this slow motion from this angle as well. I think I'm definitely going to be making more slow-fies. Again, not a massive difference, but the HDR allows us to see more cloud and sky in the background, and the flower is just a bit brighter, less of those dark areas and contrast. So now we're using the front camera on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which shoots in 4K, which is the best front camera resolution that the iPhone has put out. So what we're going to do is we're using the microphone that's built into the phone, and we're going to do a bit of a walk and see what that looks like and how good a quality it is compared to the others. So I'm just holding this just with my hand, just one hand. I don't know what the stabilization is going to be like walking downhill, but we'll see. So far I can see in the picture, I can still see blue sky and I'm pretty well lit. So that HDR, that enhanced HDR is really doing a great job. So here we are on the iPhone X 10 and we're using the front camera, which again films in HD, not 4K like the 11 Pro Max, using the built-in microphone, so we'll compare what that sounds like as well. Gonna do a bit of a walk and talk again, so holding it just with one hand as I did the other phone, walking downhill, uneven ground. You can already see that the HDR on this, the background's blown out, it's inferior to the 11 Pro Max already, but besides the fact that it shoots in HD, so the quality should be better on the Pro Max anyways. Even with the front camera on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the stabilization is far superior to that of the iPhone X. And with that enhanced HDR, the background and myself are both well lit. You can see that blue sky. The bright areas aren't blown out. It's a much better quality image. So I think what you've realized, as much as I have, is that the X really doesn't compare to the 11 Pro Max in video quality now. This is 2 years old, and they've really made some enhancements, and in three main areas. The first being enhanced HDR. You're going to be able to get amazing quality footage when you're outside, when it's a sunny day and you're maybe in a bit more of a shaded area, and still be able to see that blue sky behind you. That's a big difference to what was originally just blown out white. The other area is stabilization. Oh my God, that blew my mind. You don't even need a gimbal anymore. Like, I was walking downhill on an uneven ground. I was just so blown away with the stabilization of the Pro Max. And then finally, I was really quite surprised, because I hadn't looked into it too much, is the audio quality. That onboard microphone got amazing quality audio, far surpassing the iPhone X, I thought, in my opinion. So look, if you're interested in having a better quality video, being up to date with the amazing technology that we have to make amazing looking videos, then it's really a no-brainer to not get rid of your X, you know, save it and have it as your backup camera, but definitely invest in the Pro Max, because right now the Pro Max is really, they've quoted the best camera on the market, and honestly I'd have to agree with them. So I hope that you like this video. Give a thumbs up down below, a thumbs down if you didn't, that's cool. Leave a comment, and I'll be seeing you next time.